Choosing a coastal tile for your backsplash in your bathroom or even in your kitchen, you really can't go wrong with choosing a nice, beautiful blue, turquoise, or anything in that sea color that makes you feel like you're on an island. This is definitely on trend, and you don't have to use a cream or a white to make you feel like you were home and taken away to the islands.
Coastal tile is not just seashells and sand dollars anymore. It's clean, modern, and one of the biggest design trends of the year. Because when it's done right, it can totally transform your kitchen or bathroom, and also because it's having a major moment right now. So if you want an airy, relaxed vibe without going full beach house kitchen vibe, stick around for more tips as we talk coastal style backsplash tile. Now, when I say coastal, I'm not talking about cheesy beach decor. I'm talking soft, natural tones, textures, sea glasses, handcrafted finishes. This look is clean and calming and actually timeless. And yes, it actually works if you do not even live near the ocean. So let's talk tile choices, and here's a few that instantly give you a coastal vibe without screaming, I got this on vacation. Glossy or the handmade style tiles really bounce the light off, kind of like water, and it feels very organic. Soft blue greens and warm whites, these colors reflect and they make you feel breezy, not really bold. And then the textured subway tiles, especially those with those wavy crackle glaze, have a real ability to create a movement to them. The key is imperfection of the tile makes it actually feel intentional, like driftwood, but for your walls. Make sure to keep your coastal tile fresh and modern and avoid the cliches of actual shells or fish patterns, but you can allude to it with your style and shape of your tile. And make sure you balance out with warm woods or matte black, and brass fixtures look nice too. And you can use it as a feature wall or behind a stove or sink and keep the rest neutral. But stick to a limited color palette because too much variation can feel really busy and not breezy, and that's the goal. So here's your designer tip. The coastal tile pairs really well with butcher block counters or even white quartz, and even better actually with soft lighting. So if you're ready to bring in that relaxed, effortless vibe, coastal tile is definitely the move, and it's 100% on trend. So just keep it natural, textured, and timeless, and you'll have a space that feels like you're on vacation without the cheesy beach signs. So if this video helped you at all, please hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiration and pro-level DIY tips that you can actually do. So thanks again, and catch you on the next one.